countertops coming in today for Crest Ridge. Let's check this out.
So this has to be one of our favorite days. We get to install the granite countertops in the kitchen and in the bathrooms. We know that this is where the house is sold. So it's worth getting good material, having a good fabricator, and installers. So today, we have the crew from Stoneworks from Chico, California. They pick up the material that we pick out from a warehouse in Sacramento, take it to their shop, and do the rough fabrication. Then they bring it to the job site, place the sinks, and drill for faucets. Dan and his crew have done numerous projects for us. We are so thankful that they're on our team.
Looking up at a tree, I remember how it started. I was lost in a dream when the fire in my heart said an open rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living
Let's get
Remember the difference? What the kitchen used to look like before?
Looks like a different house.
Remember it had all the fire damage and had the wall right there? That was incredible. Huh?
It's
It's
beautiful.
really good. This is gonna be a nice house or something. And this countertop, this is the first time we use this kind of countertop.
It's new.
It's, do you like it?
I like it a lot. I think it's something that we'll start using.
I mean, it looks really classy in here. The backsplash came out pretty good. We had a little challenge trying to figure out what kind of backsplash we wanted. I think that one came out pretty good. The appliances are nice, the cabinets are nice. Very great cabinets in here. The lights. Beautiful. And what a difference in this bathroom. Completely remodeled, completely redesigned. Nice big shower. Nice vanity for 2 people. Should be pretty good. Yeah. Let's get the rest of the house. Nice pantry door. We got really nice. We got another bathroom in here. Shower. Really good. This is where we had the discussion about drywall and insulation.
I'm so glad that we tore it all out and started over with it.
Yes.
Turned out so nice.
That was a nice little educational thing we had here. Remember we were talking to Randy about doing the drywall and where we were replacing it. Yep.
The house turned out nice too.
Nice big closet. Yeah. That was a good call, redoing all the drywall and insulation in this house. And it really wasn't that much more. We found some great drywall guys. They did really good. They got awesome. The custom cabinets there, Mike made. Those look really nice.
Not really nice.
Yeah, a lot different than they did before. What a great transformation. A nice second bedroom.
Bedroom turned out nice.
Yeah. Looks good. New windows. Kind of moved that window just a little bit. Like that.
We made this a bigger window, right?
Yeah, it was a smaller window to begin
Yeah.
with. That was
It's very
another
nice.
discussion we had. Here's the challenges here, but we all can. Got a brand new HVAC. Keeps this house nice and cool.
Turned
But
out
this is the moneymaker right here. This kitchen, this space, this living room. Super happy with it.